Welcome to the Did Not Fish Report edition of ACCSP SAFIS Tutorials. Today, we will be demonstrating how to create a Did Not Fish Report. Begin by going to No Fishing Report. Begin by choosing a license. Please note, for the purpose of this tutorial, we will be using test accounts. You can create a Did Not Fish report by entering either a single day or by entering a range of days. We will be entering a Did Not Fish report for a range of days from June 21st to June 25th. We are choosing a vessel from the drop-down bar, which is only required for 0 federal reports. Then click the Save button. You now see a message that states, "I certify that the information is true, complete, and correct to the best of my knowledge and made in good faith." This page shows the range of dates we just submitted. There is also a link to download negative reports if needed. Then click the green Finish button. You now see a page where you can review your Did Not Fish report dates. You can view the No Fishing report dates on the calendar. You can also delete the Did Not Fish reports by selecting a report using the check boxes on the left of each report, and then deleting selected reports by clicking the red Delete Selected Reports button. And you can save the changes by clicking the green Save Changes button. Now you can create, delete, and manage your Did Not Fish reports in the SAFIS online application.